Hi everyone, this is Andres Mulak, and I'd like to thank the 7th VP Choice Awards and Village People Magazine for these amazing awards. It is truly an honor to be receiving TV Actor of the Year and TV Series of the Year for Ang Mutyanang Sectiony and Love Team of the Year together with Ashley Noviga. So thank you so much for all the love and the support, and just know that really I'm grateful over here. And of course, to everyone that participated in the voting, thank you very much, and I love you all, and God bless.
Hello po, ako po si Ashley Noviga, and maraming salamat po to the 7th VP Choice Awards and Village People Magazine for these awards. I'm so grateful to win People Face of the Year, TV Actress of the Year, and TV Series of the Year for Ang Mutyanang Sectiony, and of course, Love Team of the Year for Ashdres. Grabe, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. Maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you po sa mga supporters po namin na nag-vote po sa akin. Thank you po.